Did you know, in Octopus there is an area that is private? Under My Octopus, there is this My Stuff section. Look, I can simply drag and drop an image, a document, or even a link to a website. I can also add an agency feed by clicking on this little star. This is available for stories as well. Octopus also helps me to organize the content. If I click on the group button, everything gets sorted. This can also be the place where you can start a new story without anyone seeing it. Once you're done, you can share it with your colleagues.